So hello guys, welcome to this video. Another week in trading. I think it's like the 40th or 30 something episode of this review and analysis for this new week that is opening in around 3 hours, 2 or 3 hours. So I'm going to just review the trades we had last week and oh, for starters, thank you guys for pushing this video. We have hit 1K subscribers. And I believe we're going to go and 2K, then shall grow like that. So thank you all for pushing this video, sharing, liking the video, and also some other stuff. So thank you all. So just leave a comment, guys. Always read a comment. One time, we're going to have a giveaway for the guys who have commented on the videos the most. Leave a video and maybe like, drop a thumbs up. It didn't remove anything from you if you just click the like button, guys. Click the like button. So without wasting much time, this is GBP/USD as always. This is the 4-hour time frame. We see that we are pushing lower. Now we have had a winning streak for some time. Reason being, we haven't been forcing it. We've just been trading with the trend. And the small buys we have had in there, it's because we have got retracements from that. I get. So now going down to the lower time frame, the 4-hour time frame, where I get from my current trend. We had this sell off on Monday, this another sell in here, then buy. Then we had another sell somewhere, I think it was here. I removed it because we had a session with the mentorship and we talked about this trade. So let's go to the 15-minute time frame. I review the trades we had. This was the trade I took right from here. Where's my, right from up here. And it went all the way and hit TP here. This psychological level. Yeah. So starting the week, we had a range. Now I always tell you the week orange ranges. I always tell you that the week ranges on Monday. But Monday we had this push up. Though on Tuesday, I think this was Tuesday, I had this sell from right here to the downside. We had confluences. Some trend lines have been moved, but there's a trend line here. Then we had an M pattern. We had also an order block. Then this market came back, left an order block, then a high of the week. Sold this market. I think I got it from around here. Yeah. So the market sold. Then I didn't take this buy, but this would have been another nice one. Should have been a nice sell because it gave us the same pattern here. You can see that it just came back to retest the lows, the lows it had broken here. Just came back to retest that here, then again here. Then it dropped. I say, make trading simple, very simple. Don't start looking for names that are going to give you sleepless nights. You get, make trading simple. You can see we sold this market, got it from here. I'm not going to talk about all the confluences we had, but this is basically simple trading. Yeah. So another day, I took this buy. There's a W pattern in here. And also sometimes there is some stuff called divergences. I think I saw one here. And I sent it out to the mentorship. All these trades that I took, they are all in the mentorship group. And we have been having a good streak for some weeks. I think 3 weeks now, no loss. Yeah, I've been having a nice streak. Now, this was a simple trade. Wait for the market to trend in there, in a rectangle. Wait for the directions to break out to. Broke out here, retest there at a low, sell the market. It was an easy trade. Some trend lines have been adjusted. There are other confluences, of course, like Fibs. What I won't go deep into that, but yeah, those are the trades we took. I also took another trade in here that I got from here. There's a divergence here of a TDI. Then I got out at this low. Then you can see that the market just reversed after the news. So the market right now is in a downtrend. Let's analyze for next week. I want to keep this video as short as possible because I realize guys don't want to watch too much streaming time and all that stuff. Yeah, so let's just view what to expect to happen this week. This is the daily time frame. We're seeing the market is dropping. Market is dropping, but of course it's dropping to areas where we expect it to peak liquidity, like down here. You get down there, may get a reversal there. It's very possible. Let's see. Yes. we have an order block, a daily order block that is so strong. You get, it can make the market change direction. So we have it entering the daily order block, but we can see it's pushing aggressively to the downside. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame to get our current trend, our main trend. You can see that there is a 4-hour trend line running from up here. Although this is too far, so it's not relevant to the current chart, maybe in the future. So what I'm going to do is adjust the simple trend line from here. Get, this can be relevant in a few days. So all you have to do is wait for it. You can also get one running from here like this, just to get, but that's better off on the 4-hour time frame. So what am I going to do next? I'm going to mark out structure. I'm not going to talk about the strategy, but I'm going to just mark out structure like here. There's also some here. Then I'm going to also get this one. It looks like the market already came back to retest that area, dropped. So I'm going to just mark out that, then drop to the 1-hour time frame. Marked out my lows. This is irrelevant right now, so I can delete this. This helps me with analysis. So now I can see that the market is entering an order block. Also, this is a resistance which was touched. So I can try to find a trend line. There's a trend line running from up here. Can take it backwards. Running from here. Be cool. Up to down here. Can take this in as a point because on the 1 hour it may be. But let's just decide, in case we have thought we're not faked out, to leave it there. So that's simply what's going on. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is wait for the bounce here and see if it will come back here for the drop. It's very possible. So I adapt this with other confluences. I also use the DXY to determine a lot about the market. Let's analyze the DXY and see. Let's see. Now we had a nice analysis here. The market came back to retest this DXY and this resistance stand support and went up. So let me just remove everything. Remove all drawings and see. It's a really uptrend if you see how the market is railing to the upside. But you can also see that we can read trend line there on the 4-hour time frame. In order to avoid looking on the left, I'll try to see there's an order block. Same as GU, there's an order block right there, but also there's one down here. So you have to be aware when you're trading. So let's go to the 1-hour time frame and determine. I'm not going to make it very complex today. I'm going to just take you through simple, brief analysis of how the market is moving, of how it's flowing. And guys, remember this, the DXY is the inverse of Euro USD. My internet is kind of not bringing my chart, but let me just speak. The DXY is the inverse of Euro USD. If you analyze Euro USD, you've analyzed the DXY. You get it. So when you're buying GU, when you're buying Euro USD, the DXY sorry about that, guys. That's what you're supposed to remember. You get it. So if I remove this, we see that we have a strong resistance zone up here where the market is retesting. Guess what? I can rally a trend line from down here because this is still valid too. I'll rally a trend line from up here. Taking in that point and wait. But this will mean that I have to wait for some time if the market comes in. So another thing I'm going to do is also mark out my support area and see that the market is ranging around here. So all you have to do is wait. You can add another trend line here to maybe get this sell, but all you're supposed to do is wait, because once it starts selling, means GBPUSD is going to buy. Yeah. So I've not talked about my strategy and all that stuff. I've just done some brief analysis to prepare for the new week. So I hope you guys redo your own analysis, because I always want people to learn how to do it, not to depend on the signals that are sent to the Telegram group. Now, if you haven't subscribed to the Telegram group, just check for the link in the description. You'll find it and you join us where you join a group where you're able to send your trades and all that stuff. So thank you for watching this video till the end. Like the video, subscribe, share the video, drop a comment if you like the content, and also drop a comment for a video that you want me to do talking about anything in trading. Thank you for watching this video up to the end. Have a nice one.